Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you can tell by my sexy sweater, we're doing a Christmas special, 12 Days of Christmas. And every day we're opening up a new window in my LimeLife by Alcone advent calendar. So I'm in love with this calendar, you guys. If you haven't seen the other videos, right now we are on day 4. So if you guys have not seen the other videos, I will link them up here in the card on the side or down in the description box below where you guys can check them out after this video. So if you guys are interested in seeing what we are opening today and what lip color I'm wearing, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. So first of all, it comes in this gorgeous box. If you guys have seen the other videos, you've seen all the cute little things about this box that I love. And then it comes with our signature bow as well as a to and from with a little cute XO on it. So it's just ready to gift. Okay, so we are on day 4. When you open it up, it looks like this. It is so stinking gorgeous. Like, I'd put this on a shelf as Christmas decor. That guy just wants to come out, so let's just open it. So here's day 4, which looks like a mini mask. And it is the skin polish mask. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit of information on the skin polish mask, and then I'm going to tell you guys my specific tips and why I love this mask. So first of all, it says this lemony fresh nutrient rich mask and scrub hydrates, balances, and reduces inflammation of the skin. Natural jojoba beads roll away impurities gently, that's awesome, as well as dead and dehydrated skin. So oils from olives, lemons, and cypress can restore and protect your skin, because if you have a lot of dead and dry skin cells on the top layer of your skin, it's hard for moisturizers to penetrate your skin, so that's really cool. Cypress can restore and protect your skin. Use regularly to balance your skin and unearth a youthful glow. So especially now, I think that this is brilliant to put this in the advent calendar because it's really good for dry skin types. You can use it as a mask every night if you wanted to, or you can mix and match it. They have 2 masks. There's a mask of Zen and a skin polish mask. So here's my little tip. If you have oily skin types, I still suggest using hydrating products, because if you dry out your skin too much, your skin is going to overcompensate and produce more oils. So you'll sometimes find that if you're using a whole bunch of harsh products on your face to try and like dry out the oil, sometimes it's too harsh and your skin will become oilier. So you definitely don't want that. So what I do is I sometimes will take this and just scoop out a little bit and mix it with my cleanser and wash my face with it. But then you can apply it as a whole mask to gently exfoliate and stuff like that, so your moisturizers do penetrate your skin better. And then I will mix and match it with the mask of Zen, which it is a little bit more of a clay mask and drying. So if I have, like right now I have a little blemish here, if this guy is going to be stubborn and not go away with cleanser, I would just take a little bit of the mask of Zen, pop it on there, go to bed, and like 3 nights, and then it helps clear up your blemishes a lot quicker. So the 2 masks, no matter what, if you want it, if you got this, loved it, wanted to try the other one, you can't go wrong with them. They're so good. Another thing that's good about this that I love is that these are refillable containers. So once this is all gone, you can take your big daddy. So they come in these sizes of jars. So when I saw this one, I was like dying. But they come in this size, so you can just take a little scoop, put it back in your travel size jar, and take this as your carry-on, because they are all certified to pass for the size to be on your carry-on. So that's really sweet. So that's my little tip. So now this lip color, you guys are probably all dying to know what it is, because it's one of the most popular ones for special occasions. And so why I wanted to show a lip color with this special is because right now is like Christmas season, it's holiday, it's parties, it's all of the above. So everyone, like, you kind of want to get a little special, get a little dressier, and this is a really nice medium darkness lip color. And what you can do is you can also add a little bit of concealer right to the middle, lighten the color up a bit, and create an ombre lip. So that's one tip with the lipstick. This is called S'mores. So yes, this color is definitely a fan favorite for whenever I do makeup for special occasions. It's because it's very neutral. It'll go with kind of basically all skin types, and it's not too dark, but it's not a nude, so it's going to give you that little extra like glam for the party season. If you've never used a matte lipstick of any kind before, so this isn't drying. It is a very, like, I've tried some that they do dry out your lips, but this is not drying. I get asked that a lot. It is very like it dries and it stays kind of like velvety feeling. But if you do have dry, chapped lips during this time of year, I would highly suggest doing a scrub at night when you do your nightly routine. Scrub off all those dry, dead skin cells and chapped lips, and then just toss a little moisturizer on, because that will help your lips just in the long run, no matter what, if you're wearing a liquid lip color or not. That's gonna just really help your lips stay healthy and look better. But also a matte can sometimes accentuate dryness. It won't make them dry, but it can accentuate those dry patches. So that's my little tip if you've never used a matte liquid lipstick before, and if you have, you will love these. I love them, love them. It's my favorite lipstick ever. So yeah. That's that for day 4. If you guys did like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, because that really helps my channel. And if you guys are interested in seeing what's left to be open in this amazing advent calendar, then definitely click subscribe as well as the little bell, because then you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And I will be uploading one every day of the 12 days of Christmas, as well as doing a bonus video for day 13. And we're gonna open up my little LimeLife Santa sack and see what's in here. Show you guys a quick little tour of some more little goodies that I have in there for you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. See you guys.